meep. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Diecast Resurrection. Today we're doing a challenge video, and this one's going to be with TimeRider, and we're calling it Muscle Makeover. So my first instinct was to grab a big muscle car and just put a bigger motor in it, and I was like, man, you know what? Let's have some fun. You know, this could very well be the first Matchbox I've done on the channel. 71 Oldsmobile, yeah. This thing will be sweet. I don't have much of a plan for this, but I do know the wood grain is out. Sorry. And I know them wheels are out. I don't know what's up with these dogs in the back. It's kind of weird. Anyways, we'll just start taking it apart and see where we end up. Winging it. We're winging it on this one. Come on, little Vista Cruiser. I wish I could take these dogs out of the back. I do like those wheels though. Those are sweet for something. Not this car, but I think they got those little knockoffs on them. Huge, luxurious glass. We got to be super careful with that. Put that in the old tickle trunk back here. This is gonna be crazy. I don't think he's ever gonna guess that we're gonna do a Vista Cruiser for our muscle car. It's gonna be pimp. Gladly strip this thing. Ooh. Get out of here, wood paneling. We're gonna paint this Vista Cruiser like no one has ever done before. Throat's a little sore today, so I'm gonna sound a little raspy. So get used to it. So I've got a big honkin' blown motor for this thing. We just got to try stuff it under the hood. It's gonna be great. I can't wait. I can't wait. Probably got enough sauce on there. I'm just gonna leave that for now. I'll clean it up and I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Car's all cleaned up. It's actually a really nice casting. Kudos to Matchbox on this one. Oh, that's a detail. It's quite nice. Okay, so now, Jimmy, bring out the engine. Boop, 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 boop. Look at the size of this thing. Okay, so I gotta drill a hole in the hood, clearly. And we gotta determine how much of this blower and everything we want hanging out the hood. Quite a bit. I think halfway up the blower should probably do it. No. Let's drill a hole. Let's drill a hole and see what happens here. Try to get this thing dead center. Dead center. Okay, maybe the diamond burr is not the tool for the job for this. It'd be way easier with just a file. Getting there, getting there. Need a little bit bigger. Dun, dun. It's gonna be ridiculous. Hopefully that doesn't interfere with too much stuff. Let's see what happens here with the base. Think we're good? I think we're good. What a flimsy base. I think we're good. I would like to clean this up a little bit and get this thing painted ASAP. So probably getting ready to paint this here quick. I was going through the paints looking for something new, something crazy. And I found this. It's called Metallic Fastback Green. So I don't know exactly what's going to happen here. So maybe we're going to do some, just try this out, see what happens. Might be interesting. I'm going to go ahead and prep up that spray booth. Since I got it out, I'm going to use the white Stynylrez Res for my primer. A little squish of that. So I really have no idea what this is going to look like, but it looks intense, so let's try it out. This stuff is trippy. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I've got no idea how this is going to go. It's weird. It's like blue with green flake. I guess we're about to find out. Well, holy cow, this stuff is wild. It's green. It's green in the light. It's blue when it's not in the light. It's like chameleon paint. I'll let this dry and do a couple more coats, see what happens. Or I'll just force it dry with my airbrush. That's all we need. This stuff is bizarre. Green, blue, green, blue. It's crazy. It's just crazy. Alright, so I've been working overtime on this bad boy. And hopefully you guys will appreciate my fine details. You can hardly see it because it's so fine, but I did the trim. Trim. Look at the roof rack. I didn't do the whole roof rack because that's just ridiculous. Got some nice tail lights going. More trim. I haven't clear coated this yet. Just thought I'd give you the update. However, I've been experimenting with some big old booties on here. I've also been toying around with the idea of tubbing out the back. Just to make it over the top. So I got some options here. I could throw an axle tube in here. That'll shorten my axles. And we could tub it. This isn't a wheel and tire combo that you can buy. I matched up these tires to these wheels. It's got a sweet look to it. However, my slotted front runners are a little bit off in color, so I was thinking I might color match these. And then I want to spray this base with my Quicksilver and get all this looking like a real metal grill and bumper and such. So that is going to be necessary. Going to have to put an axle tube in the front. There's just no getting around it. So I got to open this up just a smidgen. You guys just watched the Nomad video last night, and yeah, after I finished that video, I started right on this video. Because I'm crazy. I like to use all my creative juices in the same day, rather than splitting up my juices over 2 days, if that makes sense. Okay, now that this is done, I feel confident we can go ahead and spray this. We'll paint this. Paint these mags. Get that all done. I'll do the motor once all this dries, and I'll clear coat that. Deal. Got it. No problem. Now, you guys have seen me spray Quicksilver a million times, so I'm not even going to show you. I ain't even going to show you. Okay, status update. Paint. Amazing. Chassis. We got the wheels mounted. We're tubbed out. Got some grill details done, and our front axle is mounted. I can put those tires on at any time. Get these little front runnies on there. It's gonna work out just fine. We got our motor, which I custom fitted to our interior. Make it real easy, one piece, kind of like a newer Hot Wheels. And the only thing I'm really truly waiting on is glue to dry. I got about another 15 minutes of work here, and then I got to get editing the video just to make the timeline. So really cutting her close to the wire this time, boys. But this thing is going to be real cool. Again, I don't know what TimeRider's got going on, but I might have went over the top on this one a little bit. But to the last challenge I did, I didn't get the results I was looking for, so I may have overdid it on this one, but I know you guys will appreciate that anyways. Alright, let's see about maybe putting this together. Got this huge glass. Kinda looks like it's gonna. That's probably it. Yeah, I'm just that good. A little bit of trial and error with gluing things to different spots here, so I do have some dried glue inside the car, but for the most part she should go together nice. Took me quite a while to get this thing together with all my custom parts and everything, but I did. What do you think of this beast? TimeRider's gonna be like, what the hell is that thing? We got color changing paint. Ooh. Back wheels are dragging a little bit, so she's not much of a roller. I'm gonna have to look into that. Other than that, the tubs look great in there. Think I did a fine job on this wagon. Let's get her up on the rotisserie. There you go, there's my Vista Cruiser. This thing has been my labor of love for the past not even 24 hours. So I started this late last night, worked late, got up early, got her finished. I would call this one a hell of a muscle makeover, if there ever was one. I'm loving everything about this. I can tell, I don't even know how many of you guys are like, oh my god, I need that in my life. I need that on my shelf so bad. I went with the yellow, would they be low beams? I think they're low beams. Feeling that. Feeling that. This paint is wild. Let me show you it in all its glory here. Isn't that crazy? Ooh. Blue green. Blue green. Anyways, this one's really come down to the wire for me, so I gotta get this video done and I gotta start editing because I gotta post it in an hour and a half. Hopefully this sparks a little creativity in you guys. Just grab something weird off the shelf and slap a big motor in it. I had a lot of fun with this one. If you guys like this video, throw me a like, and I'll see you in the next one. No Jimmy this time.